Hello, this is Daniel, and today I will be showing you the alert schedule in the AutoFlex Connect. So let's hop into the menu here, go to Administration, and then Alert Schedule. So the alert schedule is an important page because this is where you set up your alerts. So if there is an alarm in the AutoFlex, you want to be alerted about it either via a text or an email or both. And this is where you set that up. First off, we will want to select our user from this drop-down menu. And then we've got this grid here. And this grid is days and hours. And this is the time where you want to be actively receiving alerts. You can select all, you can clear all, or you can click and drag and select the individual time slots where you want to be available. So once you've set up your availability, then you will also need to make sure that your information is in here. So you can see I've got my email and I've got my email to SMS. So that is in there. That is also if you enter that in your user. So in your user, you can enter in your email and your email to SMS, and then that will show up in the alert schedule. So make sure that information is all correct. You can send a test message. So you can send a test message either to your email or to your text, just to make sure that you actually receive them, and then you are good to go. One final option we have down here in the bottom right is our alarm or alert repeat. So how it works, when there's an alarm in the AutoFlex, once it alarms, it'll send you an alert. If you turn this on, then after the interval, right now it's set to 30 minutes, you will get another alert, another email saying you, hey, there's still this alarm. Even if that alarm disappears, you will continue getting alerts until you acknowledge the alarm. So say your temperature goes above your high temperature alarm, your temperature probe or your group alarms, it says, hey, temperature's too high. It sends you a text, the temperature's too high. And then your ventilation kicks in or it cools off. The temperature drops down, no more alarm. But if you have not come into your AutoFlex and acknowledged the alarm will have disappeared, but you will continue getting your repeat alerts until you acknowledge that alarm that, yes, I did see that did happen. So some people like this so that they continue getting alerts until they acknowledge the alarm. Some people don't like it because maybe they feel like it's spamming them. And if the alarm disappears, they don't want to keep getting an alert saying that there was that alarm that had happened. So it's up to you how you want to set it up, but the option is there if you want it. So that is a quick overview of the alert schedule page in the AutoFlex Connect. I hope to see you guys in the next video.